Hi and welcome to OnceHub videos. I'm Deepak from the OnceHub team. In this video, I will show you how to customize SMS notifications and use object properties to automatically insert personalized meeting details into your text message for booking calendars. So personalizing your SMS notification helps guests receive clear and relevant meeting details directly on their mobile devices. By customizing your messages and using dynamic object properties, you can include important meeting details such as guest name, meeting date and time, and reschedule links without manually updating each message. So let's jump in and see how we can customize our SMS notification. So for this, log into your OnceHub account and click the booking calendars icon on the left hand side. Select any of your preferred booking calendar and then go to the notification tab. Here you will see all the available notification scenario such as meeting confirmation, meeting reminders, and so on. To customize, click on customize next to your notification scenario, and here you can either customize your email. For SMS notification, go to the SMS notification tab. Unlike email notifications, SMS messages support plain text only and do not include subject lines or rich formatting options. So, to insert dynamic information into your SMS message, click Object Properties or simply type @ and it will show all the available properties that can be inserted into the SMS notification. So object properties automatically pull information from the booking and populate SMS message when it is sent. So some common example includes guest information. You can add additional guest, their full name and their mobile number. So this allows every SMS notification to be personalized automatically for each booking. It is important to note that available object properties may vary depending on the notification you are editing. For example, the reminder time property is available only in meeting reminder notification. You cannot see it for the booking confirmation SMS notification. Similarly, certain properties such as booking form transcript are not available for SMS notification. If you can't find the specific property, verify whether it supports for that notification type and delivery channel. To comply with carrier and regulatory requirements, OnceHub automatically appends the text sent by OnceHub to all SMS notifications, and this compliance folder is added automatically and cannot be removed. Once everything looks good, you can hit save. And now to see a preview of your SMS notification, click preview button and there you go. This is the notification your clients will be getting whenever a meeting is scheduled with you on their SMS notification. And that's it. By customizing your SMS notification and using object properties, you can deliver clear, personalized communication that keeps guests informed and engaged throughout the scheduling process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.